Organizing for horizontal coordination. One reason for the growing use of teams and networks is that many managers recognize the limits of traditional vertical organization structures in a fast-shifting environment. In general, the trend is toward breaking down barriers between departments, and many companies are moving toward horizontal structures based on work processes rather than departmental functions. 68. However, regardless of the type of structure, every organization needs mechanisms for horizontal integration and coordination. The structure of an organization is not complete without designing the horizontal as well as the vertical dimensions of structure. The need for coordination. As organizations grow and evolve, two things happen. First, new positions and departments are added to deal with factors in the external environment or with new strategic needs, as described earlier in the chapter. As companies add positions and departments to meet changing needs, they grow more complex, with hundreds of positions and departments performing incredibly diverse activities. Second, senior managers have to find a way to tie all these departments together. The formal chain of command and the supervision it provides is effective, but it is not enough. The organization needs systems to process information and enable communication among people in different departments and at different levels. Coordination refers to the managerial task of adjusting and synchronizing the diverse activities among different individuals and departments. Collaboration means a joint effort between people from two or more departments to produce outcomes that meet a common goal or shared purpose, and that are typically greater than what any of the individuals or departments could achieve working alone. 70. To understand the value of collaboration, consider the 2011 U.S. mission to raid Osama bin Laden's compound in Pakistan. The raid could not have succeeded without close collaboration between the Central Intelligence Agency, CIA, and the U.S. military. There has traditionally been little interaction between the nation's intelligence officers and its military officers, but the war on terrorism has changed that mindset. During planning for the bin Laden mission, military officers spent every day for months working closely with the CIA team in a remote, secure facility on the CIA campus. This is the kind of thing that, in the past, people who watched movies thought was possible, but no one in the government thought was possible, one official later said of the collaborative mission. Collaboration and coordination within business organizations is just as important. Without coordination, a company's left hand will not act in concert with the right, causing problems and conflicts. Coordination is required regardless of whether the organization has a functional, divisional, or team structure. Employees identify with their immediate department or team, taking its interest to heart, and they may not want to compromise and collaborate with other units, even for the good of the organization as a whole. Poor coordination and collaboration among divisions are blamed for Microsoft's late entry into the profitable smartphone and tablet markets, for instance. Top managers are trying to change that with a massive but tricky reorganization. It remains to be seen if Microsoft's long feuding divisions can huddle and put the good of the whole above their individual goals. The company's problems have become so worrisome that in early October 2013, 3 of the top 20 shareholders began lobbying the board to pressure Bill Gates to step down as chairman of the company that he co-founded 38 years earlier. Microsoft will likely use a variety of structural mechanisms, described in the following sections, to encourage greater collaboration across the organization's 4 broad units and try to put the spark back in the company. Microsoft is a huge organization with more than 100,000 employees, which makes coordination even more challenging. The problem of coordination and collaboration is also amplified in the international arena because organizational units are differentiated not only by goals and work activities, but also by geographical distance, time differences, cultural values, and perhaps language. How can managers ensure that needed coordination and collaboration will take place in their company, both domestically and globally? Coordination is the outcome of information and cooperation. Managers can design systems and structures to promote horizontal coordination and collaboration. Exhibit 10.10 illustrates the evolution of organizational structures, with a growing emphasis on horizontal coordination. Although the vertical functional structure is effective in stable environments, it does not provide the horizontal coordination that is needed in times of rapid change. Innovations such as cross-functional teams, task forces, and project managers work with.